This is why you need to ditch detergent pods now. Detergent pods may seem like a convenient and efficient way to do your laundry, but they come with hidden environmental costs that are too significant to ignore. These small, colorful pods are often marketed as a modern solution to laundry woes, promising ease of use and effective cleaning. However, beneath their shiny exterior lies a darker truth that could be contributing to the pollution of our planet. Your laundry could be causing more harm than you think. Every time you wash your clothes, especially those made from synthetic fibers like polyester, tiny plastic particles are released into the water. These microplastics are so small that they easily pass through water treatment plants and end up in our rivers, lakes, and oceans, causing significant harm to marine life and ecosystems. Let's break it down. Understanding the full impact of our laundry habits is crucial if we want to make more eco-friendly choices. By examining the materials our clothes are made from, the detergents we use, and the washing methods we employ, we can start to see where changes can be made to reduce our environmental footprint. Microplastics are sneaky little pollutants that come off your clothes during washing. These tiny particles, often less than 5 millimeters in size, are not just a problem for the environment but also for human health. They can enter the food chain through marine organisms and eventually make their way onto our plates. The long-term effects of microplastic ingestion are still being studied, but early research suggests potential risks to our health. Polyester garments are the worst offenders, shedding up to 1,900 fibers per wash. Scary, right? These synthetic fibers are durable and cheap, making them a popular choice for clothing manufacturers. However, their environmental impact is significant. Each wash releases thousands of microfibers into the water, contributing to the growing problem of plastic pollution. But don't worry, there's hope. By making a few simple changes to our laundry routine, we can significantly reduce the amount of microplastics released into the environment. It all starts with being more mindful of the choices we make and understanding the impact of our actions. First, switch to cooler wash cycles. Washing your clothes in cold water not only saves energy, but also reduces the amount of microfibers released. Hot water can cause fabrics to break down more quickly, leading to more shedding. By opting for cooler temperatures, you can help preserve your clothes and the environment. It's easier on your clothes and reduces microplastic shedding. Cooler wash cycles are gentler on fabrics, helping them last longer and maintain their quality. This means fewer microfibers are released with each wash, and your clothes will look better for longer. And always go for full loads to cut down on friction. Washing full loads not only saves water and energy, but also reduces the friction between clothes, which can cause fibers to break off. By maximizing the efficiency of your washing machine, you can minimize the environmental impact of your laundry. Next, ditch those detergent pods. While they may be convenient, the environmental cost is too high. The plastic coating on these pods often doesn't break down completely, contributing to plastic pollution. They're often coated in polyvinyl alcohol, which isn't as biodegradable as you think. This substance can persist in the environment, breaking down into smaller and smaller pieces that are difficult to clean up. By avoiding detergent pods, you can help reduce the amount of plastic waste generated by your household. Instead, opt for plastic-free detergents and refill stations. Many companies now offer eco-friendly detergent options that come in biodegradable or recyclable packaging. Refill stations are also becoming more common, allowing you to reuse containers and reduce waste. Lastly, consider installing a microfiber filter on your washing machine. These filters are designed to catch microfibers before they can enter the water system, significantly reducing the amount of plastic pollution generated by your laundry. These can trap up to 90% of those pesky fibers. Regularly cleaning and maintaining these filters ensures they remain effective, helping to keep our waterways cleaner and healthier. And if you're buying a new washer, look for one with a built-in filter. Many modern washing machines now come with built-in microfiber filters, making it easier than ever to reduce your environmental impact. Investing in one of these machines can make a big difference in the fight against plastic pollution. Remember, every little step counts. From choosing eco-friendly detergents to washing full loads on cooler cycles, each small action adds up to make a significant impact. By being more mindful of our laundry habits, we can all contribute to a healthier planet. Together, we can make Laundry Day a win for the planet. By working together and making conscious choices, we can reduce the environmental impact of our laundry and help protect our planet for future generations. Let's take these steps today and make a positive change for tomorrow.